Dun 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 dun. I mean, it's something like that. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Jonathan Casey. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is a channel where I like to talk all things tech related. It doesn't matter if it's a smartphone, a camera, or a computer, chances are you're gonna see it on this channel. I deliver content in a unique and interesting format, and I do it every single week. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and click that subscribe button. In this video, we're talking about this. This is the limited edition Galaxy Note 10 Plus, where Samsung has partnered with Star Wars to create an awesome experience. I'm really looking forward to this. I love when Samsung does partnerships like this. They've done it with DC for the Batman Galaxy S7 Edge. They've done it with the Iron Man Galaxy S6, I think it was. And then they've also done several collabs with the Olympics, and it just creates a little bit of exclusivity. So if you're able to get your hands on one of those devices, you know you're holding something limited and not a lot of people have. And I think that's pretty cool. So right off the bat, we have some Star Wars logoing and some details here. And we'll go ahead and take this little slip cover off to the actual box, and boom. There it is. Again, some more Star Wars details here, and I'll show you the dark side. So in case you didn't know, this is all about the dark side, basically like a Kylo Ren themed Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So if you're not a fan of Kylo Ren, then you're probably not gonna like this, but hey, I dig it anyways, regardless, just because of that black and red theme. Plus, I mean, I like Star Wars. So like I said, if you didn't know by this oversized box that this is a limited edition phone, then the Star Wars details all over the outside of the box are gonna give it away. And if you didn't know, like, this is what a normal Galaxy Note 10 box looks like. So obviously there's more than just a phone in here, but let's not waste any more time and crack this thing open. So, ooh, man, this is really cool. I gotta say, like, again, I'm not like a die-hard type fan of Star Wars. I like it, I am a fan, and I love like where they've gone with this series, but I'm not like one of those die-hard, you know, Star Wars for life. If you're a Trekkie, I'll hunt you down and hurt you really bad. But in any case, I gotta respect this because the details are incredible. At the top here, it says Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker. Again, this is a collaboration between Samsung and Star Wars to celebrate the release of their new film, which is Star Wars: Rise of Skywalker. So it's pretty cool. I love the details here, all the little star patterns going on. Then we have a case, which is, man, I gotta say, this case is really nice. Again, we have some more Kylo Ren features going on here. Leather. On the inside, it's like a felt material, and some more Star Wars logoing. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Yeah, I'm a fan of the case. Case is fire. Go ahead and set that to the side. And then under the case, we have a SIM card removal tool, and that's about it. So cool stuff there. We'll put the case back in for now. Then we have some memorabilia, and then we have some memorabilia. Then we have a little plaque right here, like a collector's item. Solid metal, the construction's outstanding. You could hit someone on the head with this and it would give them a serious little knot. But yeah, this is awesome. So that's pretty solid. And that's about it for this compartment here. We'll go ahead and drop the front and pull out the drawer here. Inside the drawer, we have a Note 10 Plus and some Galaxy Buds. So that's pretty cool. They're including Galaxy Buds inside of this collection. Definitely a major plus. I mean, it makes sense though. This is like around $1,300, so it's definitely not cheap. But if you have a Star Wars collector in your life, or you're a Star Wars collector, you're really gonna like this. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the Galaxy Buds and the Note 10 Plus. That way I can set this big box to the side and you can see my body and I'll have a normal size head. Plus we can get a closer look at everything. So we have the Note 10 Plus, we have some Galaxy Buds. Let's crack these open and see what they look like. We'll start with the Galaxy Buds. So you have your usual accessories here, some ear tips, USB-C cable for charging, and then you have the Galaxy Buds, and that's what I wanna see. So we'll slide these out here. Black case. Man, That two-tone though, that black and red, that looks really, really good. I wish the tips were red. That would have been like the icing on the cake. Throw in some red tips. But yeah, that looks really good. I like that. All right, so we'll put these up and then move on to the phone. And then this is the moment that probably everybody's been waiting for, including me. I want to see how this Note 10 Plus looks. I mean, I've seen the leaks, don't get me wrong, but I haven't seen it in person. And things look a lot different in person than they do in pictures on the web. So go ahead and, all right, so we have some adhesive here, or a piece of tape, shall I say. Cut that off. All right, boom, got it off. It only took a year. All right, so let's see. That is nice. So we'll take off the cover here. I'm not gonna lie, this looks really, really good. So basically it's done in the black that we've all come to know from the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. It has like a bluish shine to it. And then we have some Star Wars signature icons throughout. We have like their branding here and then like a signature piece here. And it looks really good. And I love the red accents. Like the contrast between this black and the red is awesome. So we have like a red power button or Bixby button, whatever you want to call it. And then a red volume rocker. And we have a nice red ring around the camera. So we'll go ahead and take out the S Pen. And yeah, that's red as well. This is hot. So we'll go ahead and slide that back in. And I'm gonna get this phone set up. And then we're gonna dive into the software side of things because from what I understand, there's like exclusive wallpapers, exclusive sounds, and a few other things. So I'll be right back. I got the phone all booted up. You can see the lock screen is definitely not your traditional Samsung lock screen. We have some Kylo Ren theming going on here. Again, it's like I told you, if you're not a fan of Kylo Ren or the dark side in Star Wars, then you're not really gonna be a fan of what's going on here, but I like it. So we'll go ahead and dive into the phone. And again, we have some nice red and black theming going on. The icons are definitely different than your traditional Samsung theme that comes with your phone. And it carries on to the quick toggle menu right here. Again, that red and black theme is just sick. We'll go ahead and dive into the settings here, go under sound and vibration, check out a few of these ringtones and notification sounds. Go to ringtone. That's the ringtone. I mean, do y'all like that better than that? Or do you like it better than that? I don't know. I'm gonna have to go with the Star Wars one on that one. It's pretty epic. So we'll go ahead and jump back, go under notification sounds. What we got? Do y'all like that better than that? Or that? I mean, that's like getting your sexy on. I don't know. I'm gonna stick to the Star Wars one. Again, it just provides that epic feel. Now we'll go ahead and take out the S Pen. Did y'all hear that? Let me see if I can. That's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty genius. Thumbs up, Samsung, you got me on that one. So that's the sound of a lightsaber powering up and then powering down. And you get that sound by either taking out the S Pen or placing it back in. So pairing that with the S Pen, it's pretty genius. You got me. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the exclusive wallpapers that come with this phone. There should be quite a few. So we have some red and black theme wallpapers there, again with that Kylo Ren theme. Some like dark gray, black and white wallpapers. They look really nice. Like I might have to apply this one to the lock screen. Yeah, that looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and set that for the lock screen. And then for my home screen, kind of feeling this one. Yeah, that looks good. Go ahead and set that. So that's gonna be my home screen. And then for the lock screen, I'm digging it. I'm feeling that. Now there should be a different always on display as well. That is exclusive for this phone. There we go. It's really hard to see, but again, it's sticking to that black and red theme. It looks like a Stormtrooper helmet right in the middle, but that could be some more Kylo Ren stuff. I'm not quite sure. It's really hard to see. But yeah, that looks pretty cool. So I don't know about you, but I am definitely a fan of this limited edition Galaxy Note 10 Plus in partnership with Star Wars. This thing looks incredible. It'll definitely make a great gift this holiday season for that Star Wars lover in your life, or if you personally like Star Wars, this is a great phone. Not only is the Note 10 Plus one of my favorite phones, if not my favorite phone of this year, this just looks fantastic. I mean, even if you're not a huge fan of Star Wars, having that black and red contrast looks incredible. And yeah, I appreciate Samsung for giving me this opportunity to check out this phone early. But I gotta tell you, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but you're not gonna get it back. May the force be with you. Just saying. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content just like this, and stay tuned because I'm finally dropping my Note 10 Plus full in-depth review, and I have a lot of other great content coming before the end of the year. And shout out to Kylo Ren, because without him, this video wouldn't be possible, and I will catch you amazingly beautiful and handsome people in the next video.